ॐ जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे त्रयो श्रित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः. My pranam in the feet of Jagadguru Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa Dev, Jagadmata Sri Sarada Devi. Today is a very holy day. Today is 169th birth anniversary of Holy Mother Sri Sarada Devi. Before me, our today's chief guests, Srimati Piyashishan Bakshi and Srimati Trishta Sen. Both of them have delivered a short speech on Holy Mother's life related to her life, talks related to her life. Today, the holy occasion, I feel myself blessed while talking about Holy Mother Sri Sarada Devi. We know that Mother is Brahmamui. She is Jagat Janani, Jagat Dhatri. And Thakur also used to tell that Jini Parabrahma Akhanda Sachidananda Tini Ma. One who is Parabrahma, Adi Shakti, one who is Akhanda Sachidananda. She is only our mother, Holy Mother Sri Sarada Devi. That is why Holy Mother's name is the Maha Mantra of this era. Today, where I start this speech, I would like to start my speech on Holy Mother with few lines from Sri Sri Chandi and one line Bani from Sri Sri Mother's Amrita Bani book. আমি সত্যিকারের মা, গুরুপত্নী মা নন, পাটানো মা নয়, কথার কথা মা নয়, সত্যিকারের মা. Holy Mother Sarada Devi is telling to us that I am not the teacher or wife as a form of teacher or a wife. I am not the mother who has been sent, and I am not the mother who is only in our talks. I am the mother of truth. I am only the mother, only the Jagadhatri simple form of Jagadhatri. It is stated the feet of mother that Devi Prapannarti Hare Prasida Matar Jagato Akhilasya. Prasida Vishweshwari Pahe Vishwam Twamishwari Devi Characharasya. आधार भूता जगत्वमेका मही स्वरूपेण यतः स्थिता हसी अपांग स्वरूपस्थितया त्वयि त्वद अपेयत कृत्स्न मलंग वीर्ये त्वं वैष्णवी शक्तिर अनंत वीर्या विश्वास्य वीजं परमासी मया सम्मोहितं देवि स्वमस्तमे त्वं वै प्रसन्ना भूमि मुक्ति हेतु विद्या समस्तास्तव देवि भेदा स्त्रियः समस्ता सकला जगतसु त्वयिकया पूरितमंबर वैत् का ते स्तुति स्तप्त परा परोक्ति. It stated that হে ভক্ত দুঃখ হারিণী দেবী তুমি প্রসন্ন হও, হে অখিল বিশ্ব জননী তুমি প্রসন্ন হও, হে বিশ্বেশ্বরী তুমি প্রসন্ন হও, এই জগৎ পালন করো, হে দেবী তুমি চরাচর জগতের অধীশ্বরী, হে অলঙ্গ বীর্যা তুমি ধরিত্রী রূপে বিরাজিতা বলিয়া এখানেই জগতের আশ্রয়ের স্বরূপ, তুমি জলরাশি রূপে অবস্থিতা হইয়া সমগ্র জগতের পরিপুষ্ট বিধান করিয়া থাকো, তুমি বিশ্বের মূল কারণ, অনন্ত শক্তিময়ী পরমা বৈষ্ণবী ও মায়াও তুমি, তুমি সমগ্র সংসারকে সম্মোহিত করিয়া রাখিয়াছ, আবার তুমি প্রসন্ন হইয়া সকলের মুক্তির কারণ হও, হে দেবী নিখিল জগতের সমস্ত বিদ্যা এবং পতিব্রতা সৌন্দর্য ও তরুণাদি চতুষ্ষষ্টি চতুষ্ষষ্টিক লামণ্ডিতা সকল নারী তোমারই বিধিরূপ, জননী রূপা একমাত্র তোমাকৃত্য এই বিশ্ব পরিব্যাপ্ত, স্তুতিতে প্রযোজ্য বাক্য বলিও তুমি, সুতরাং তোমার স্তুতি আর কি প্রকারে হইতে পারে। তো শ্রী শ্রী মাকে আমরা জানি এই যুগের মহামন্ত্র। একবার কথায় স্বামী ব্রহ্মানন্দজি মহারাজও বলেছিলেন যে শক্তি পূজা অর্থাৎ মায়ের পূজাকে কারণ করা হয়। কেন করা হয়? কারণ কি? মাই হচ্ছে এই ব্রহ্মাণ্ডের চাবিকাঠি, জ্ঞানের চাবিকাঠি, শক্তির চাবিকাঠি। মা যদি এই ব্রহ্মাণ্ডর দরজাটি না খুলে দেয়, এই জ্ঞানের দরজা না খুলে দেয়, এই শক্তির দরজা যদি না খুলে দেয়, তাহলে এই ব্রহ্মাণ্ড, এই বিশ্ব আর স্থায়ী থাকবে না। তাই জন্যই দেবী শ্রী সারদা মাকে বলা হচ্ছে সর্ব অবতার জননী। গানে বলা হচ্ছে যে মা হচ্ছেন সর্ব অবতারের জননী। লীলাতে যখনই যখনই নারায়ণ নর সেজে এই ধরাধামে উপস্থিত হয়েছেন, তখনই শ্রী শ্রী মায়েরও এই ধরাধামে আগমন হয়েছেন। রাম যখন অবতার নিয়েছিল, বিষ্ণু যখন রাম রূপে অবতার নিয়েছিল, তখন রানী হয়ে তার পাশে সীতা, লক্ষ্মী রূপিণী সীতা ছিল। যখন কৃষ্ণ এই যুগে এসেছিল, তখন রুক্মিণী, সীতা রূপিণী রুক্মিণী কৃষ্ণের পাশে ছিলেন। এবং যখন ঠাকুর শ্রী রামকৃষ্ণ এসেছিলেন, তখন তার সঙ্গে শ্রী শ্রী মা শারদাময়ী দেবী লক্ষ্মী রূপিণী মা এসেছিলেন। মাকেই বলা হচ্ছে দুর্গা রূপিণী, জগদ্ধাত্রী রূপিণী এবং কালী রূপিণী। কেন? কারণ ঠাকুর, বিকজ ঠাকুর have invoked the Matribhav, the Adi Shakti, the Parashakti Bhav inside the mother. ঠাকুর নিজে হাতে সেই ষোড়শী পুজোর দিন মায়ের মধ্যে মাতৃভাবে সঞ্চারিত করেছিলেন। ঠাকুর বলেছিলেন মাকে, have told that one day will come when thousand of people will call you mother. And this is the day we see that even from the far away of India, the countries outside India's are also understanding Srima Sarada Devi by the name of mother. Only the two Bengali, only the one Bengali letter and the matra, ma, Holy Mother. This name is very common to us. Who is Holy Mother? Only one, Sri Sri Sarada Devi. On his 169th birthday, it's a very auspicious year also, because we are celebrating second time mother's birthday. In the beginning of this year, 5th of January, we celebrated mother's birthday. And again, in this year only, same year only, we are celebrating her 169th birthday, 169তম জন্মতিথি. And on this holy occasion, from the morning only, we are engaged in various programs, cultural activities. We started with Vedic chanting, Matrivandana, Ityalekhya, reading from Sri Sarada Mayar Katha, Puthi also, along with Matrivandana. Before I started my speech, our chief guest gave a lecture on mother's life. On that, I cannot say anything. I do not have that knowledge from above from them. So I would like to conclude this program, because from 5:15 the Sandharatrika is here. So today I would like to conclude this program by giving few incident from mother's life. Srima Sarada Devi, the Holy Mother, the divine consort, and she was the first disciple of Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna. Before she was the wife, she was a disciple of Sri Ramakrishna. And thus, an integral part of his spiritual self and of saving message he delivered into the mankind. Every time, mother used to say that Thakur, mother in Bengali, mother used to say that, Baba, জানো তো ঠাকুরের জগতের প্রত্যেকের উপর মাতৃভাব ছিল। সেই মাতৃভাব জগতে বিকাশ করার জন্য ঠাকুর এবার আমায় রেখে গেছেন। তো mother was the only guru who invoked the sense of matribhav in all. Unlike the spiritual counterparts of the past incarnation like Rama, Krishna, Buddha, and some others, Sri Sarada Devi was born in poor but cultured Brahman family of Bengal in the village of Joyrambati in Bankura district, situated about 60 miles in the west of Calcutta. Born on 2nd December 1853, was the eldest daughter of Ramchandra Mukherjee and Sri Samashundari Devi. In one of the song of Mother Sri Sharada Devi, it is written that mother have arrived in the home of a poor Brahmin because to avoid the the yes, uh, the gatherings, because like Sita, she is a daughter of a Raj Mahal, means Raja, and also Rukmini also. So she doesn't want, means this time, as Thakur was also came in the family of a poor family, came belong to poor family, means good, means they uh, good from inside, and but they're poor. Same Ma also came like that. But early early girlhood was spent, as in the case of most girls in the rural upbringing, in various domestic chores like caring for younger children, looking after cattle, carrying food to her father and to some others engaged in the work of field. She had absolutely no schooling, though she learned the Bengali alphabet and practiced a little of reading and writing in the latter days by herself. But the domestic environment of a pious Brahman family supplemented supplemented by the holy associations she had in later days imparted to her life, to one with such high natural endowments as she, an education that was far more relevant than instructions in the 3 hours. In another sense, we can see that mother was the Parabrahma, Parashakti, Adi Shakti, Jagat Palini, Jagat Dharini, Jagat Dhatri, Rupini. So mother is only handling the whole world, and so she knew everything. That is why she is holding the world. So in that case also you can find that mother did not put more on these studies. She entered into Sri Ramakrishna's life as his partner in it when when she was aged only 5. So this is also one good story. Before me, it was delivered also by so Trishta Sen, Srimati Trishta Sen by Srimati Trishta Sen. Very good and means funny like story, because that time mother was small, means very kid, 5 years old, and all went to Kirtan. That time Thakur was also present and that Kirtan. So one of the neighbor told in sense of like joking like that out of them whom Sarada wants to marry. She told that directly, pointed out to Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa. So we can find that, we can see that Everything is written earlier. It's a God plan. You cannot change it. Right? You cannot change it. And Thakur also used to tell that for myself, mm, no need to search for any girl. It is already searched by Mother Kali. The strange marriage of Gadadhar, of 20 years age, of 20 years of age, 30 years, 23 years of age, with Sarada of 5, was part in the device dispensal and took place in a way that only Gadadhar be described as providential. So that time the Bal Bibah was there. The the age difference was not in that came afterwards. That 1821. That so when Gadadhar as Ramakrishna, the great master, used to be known in those days, was he passing through the early phase of his spiritual adventure. His near and dear ones thought that marriage would have a wrestling and stabilizing effect on his mind, which has lost all interest in all worldly affairs. But the case happened just opposite that everyone had thought. Even Thakur made Sri Sarada Devi, his wife, also his student. So it's a very means everyone has maybe astonished that time that everyone has thought that our Thakur would change, but Thakur changed Ma also. Their research for a suitable bride met with failure every time they started on it until Gadadhar himself came to their rescue. The relatives had kept their plans unknown to Gadadhar as they feared the vehement protest from him, but upsetting all their worldly wise calculation. Gadadhar himself came to rescue of his disconcerted relatives. In an ascetic mood, he declared, "Why are you searching for a bride here and there? See who is marked for me is waiting at the house of Ramachandra Mukherjee at Jwarambati." Thakur told that don't search me, that don't search for any girl for me. It is marked there. She is only waiting in the house of Ramchandra Mukherjee at Jwarambati. All was searching for Thakur's marriage. In that time, the marriage was not done. Afterward, it came. That time, the searching was going on. And that marked one they found was none other than Sharoda Devi, the 5-year-old daughter of Ramchandra Mukherjee and Sama Sundari Devi of Jayarambati. There is a tradition of an incident of an earlier day indicative to the divinely ordained nature of this alliance. It was the occasion of a temple festival in the neighborhood, but a quite number of families from Kamarpukur and Jayarambati gathered. So there only Sharada pointed out Sri Ramakrishna. All the things are seems to be like it's that time nobody cared of that. But now when we are reading the life of Sri Sarada Devi, Holy Mother Sarada Devi, that time we can understand that all the things are uh, all the things are written earlier. Now play is going on. And though we are talking about mother as the spiritual, rather than a wife, a Shishya of Thakur, so we throw some light on the spiritual and secular training. The master took great care to help her in the development of her talents, both in the secular and the spiritual fields of life. He taught her how to conduct herself with dignity and success in everyday life. While the master gave her an all-round education, the emphasis, of course, was on the spiritual side. We do not know the details of the spiritual practices he underwent, but we know that under the guidance of the masters, he practiced japa and meditation with great intensity every day in the morning and night. In an admonition given to her niece Nolini, she once gave a hint about the necessity of practices amidst the discharge of the heavy duties of life. She said to Nolini, "What a lot of work I did when I was of your age, and yet I could find time to repeat my mantra 100,000 times every day. That is indeed a tremendous performance by an exacting ascetic standard." So Mother is talking about that while doing work, we should we should do the prayer. So while talking this one incident, I should recall from Sri Sharada Antarjamini related to this. That time, the year was 1916. The day was Mahashtami, Durga Puja Mahashtami, and mother was there in Belur Math, and she was gone for a round to see all the activities. The sadhu and the brahmachari in the kitchen doing the cutting the vegetables. While passing from there, mother stopped for sometimes, seen the things doing by the brahmachari sadhus. Maharaj, mother said that, bah, ছেলেরা তো বেশ কুটনো কাটে. All are cutting the vegetables very good. On this uh, sentence of mother, Swami Jagadanandaji Maharaj told that ব্রহ্মময়ীর প্রসন্নতা লাভই হলো উদ্দেশ্য, তো সাধন ভজন করেই হোক আর কুটনো কেটেই হোক. So Jagadanandaji Maharaj was also expressing that Brahmamoyi is Mother Durga. Mother Durga is Mother Sarada. Mother Sarada is Mother Durga. When Sarada mother means making happy mother, making happy is our main motto. Making mothers happy is our main motto, and that we will do by puja, bhajan, kirtan, or cut sorry cutting the vegetables. We have to make happy her, right? She is only the one I told earlier, the chabi kathi. So we should not make her angry. And after passing away of Thakur Sri Ramakrishna, mother was only one who like Sabedan Nirmali. That time she was to visit all the Vrindavan various pilgrimages. In the pilgrimages in 1911 and 1912, there was two major incidents to record in her life. She spent her days partly in Calcutta, and partly in Jarambati, at Jarambati engaging herself in the active spiritual ministry. From the end of the 1919, her health declined first. She was getting an intermittent fever seriously, which was not first recognized. I think that Kala Ajar, the black water fever, later on discovered by doctor. Mother died from the Kala Ajar only. There was no effective treatment in those days. and she succumbed to it on 20th July 1920. Two remarkable happenings have to be recorded in connection with her last days. It has been mentioned that her attachment for Radhu was the main prop for her to sustain her physical life. Now it was noticed that few days before her demise, she became entirely free from a strong bond of affection for Radhu. She, who could not till then remain in place without Radhu by her side, now asked her not to come near her. On the other hand, she wanted to go to Jwarambati immediately. When Radhu's infant child went near her, she asked it to be carried away. When the disciple and devotees pleaded with her on behalf of Radhu, she openly declared that she had completely taken her mind away from her. For Swami Sharadanandaji Maharaj and others who knew the esoteric side of the mother's personality, it was an indication that she was leaving all her physical friends soon. So everyone was like understanding that mother would not be uh, no means there is less time for mothers in the world. And today, on his birthday, I would like to wind up my speech with the last message of Sri Sri Ma Sharada Devi, that if we want peace, then we have to stop seeing and discussing the problems of other. যদি তুমি শান্তি পেতে চাও, অন্যের দোষ দেখা বন্ধ করো. We should not see the problems of other if we want Santi. Very good. Nowadays, it is very useful also. We can see in everyday life. So, I would like to end today's speech by touching Holy Mother's feet. Om Sarvadharmasthapagastvang Sarvadharmaswarupakang Acharyanang Mahacharyang Ramakrishnaya Te Namah Jananing Saradang Deving Ramakrishnang Jagadgurung Pad Padme Trayo Sritva Pratamami Mahurmuhum Yatagrane Dahika Shakti Ramakrishne Stita Hiya Sarva Vidya Swarupang Tang Saradang Pranamamyang परतत्वेत सदालिने रामकृष्ण समकया यो धर्मस्थापनरतो वीरेशं त्वङ्गनमाम्यहं कालिन्दी फुल्लकमले माधवेन क्रीडारत ब्रह्मानन्दं नमस्तुभ्यं सद्गुरु लोकनायक योगानंद प्रेमानंदश्चन्नवये च पार्षद रामकृष्णगत प्राणं सर्वांस्तां प्रणमाम्यहम्. Namaskar. We will end today's Dharma Sabha with the closing song